Hi everybody, this is Crazy Cuber, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the new Rubik's Cube. They carry this at Walmart now, so let's go ahead and open it up real quick. Pair of scissors. Just peel that off. Okay, we're getting it. Once this tape comes off, it'll just open right up. Alright, so we're just going to pull this open now. That up. Okay, so this should just pull right out. Yep. Alright, there's just a little piece of plastic there. Get rid of that. And then we have the cube. Looks very nice. So, here, let me get it. It looks like there's a stand in here actually too. Yep, there's a stand. Pretty cool. Packaging, I'll set that right over there. So it just says Rubik's Cube on there. Every side, there's a silver side. See how it sits on there. That's pretty nice. Okay, so here is the sand. That's not the cube. So see how it turns. Yeah, it turns pretty nice. Very nice. One of the sequences, that's right there. And it's solved, so that's pretty nice. And then it just has the Rubik's logo on there. It says Rubik's Cube. It says Rubik's.com. And then pretty nice. It spins very smooth, as you can see. Here we can compare it to a Shengshou 3x3 right here, and you can see that the cube on the right is the Rubik's. So let's show you. I'm going to show you. Okay, let me show you on this one. So the Rubik's is definitely smoother, and I'll show you how terrible the Shengshou is in another video. I still like the Shengshou, but it's just not very smooth. So the Rubik's one, when I opened it, the first thing that I noticed was that it doesn't have stickers, that's a good thing, because see, it doesn't peel. It's just tiles. It's little plastic tiles. That's it. It's buried in there. Tiles. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's not stickers. So that makes it so that it doesn't, your sweat doesn't get on there and make it then peel. So that's very nice. And let's do that again. Yeah, so it turns amazing. This is by far better than Shengshou. So that's Crazy Cuber. Thanks for watching. Bye.